how to use Tome AI on phone. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Tome. As you can see right now, I am currently on my phone and it is very difficult to use Tome on your phone. It is very limiting compared to how you could use Tome on your computer. On your computer, you would be able to create new presentations and access presentation with ease. But unfortunately, on the mobile phone, as you can right now, there is no option to create a new presentation. You can simply open presentations by clicking on the three dots, and you can choose from open a new tab, copy link, duplicate, rename, and delete. You wouldn't be able to edit the different presentations that you have. You could click on open and you would be able to check out the presentation that you currently have on your account. And just like this, we have our first page. You could move your pages from left to right by dragging it just like that from left to right, and you would be able to scroll down just like this. And that's it guys, that's the only thing you could do on Tome AI on your phone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.